Okay, here we are again. Me, Craig Potts,
Tommy Price,
and Donna Williams.
we're going to change our driveway lights because they have burnt out.
and as you can see, those two lights are on over there. And on the other side, over here, this light is burnt out.
All right, now what's the first step?
So, we have to go inside and turn off the power.
All right, go ahead. Front door, Frank.
Walking side and do the switch. So, turn it the other way. So we gotta go now that the power's off. I know.
All right, then you want to show that the lights, the power is turned off.
Say, as you can see now the power is off.
As you can see, the lights have turned off.
So now,
Now we will continue.
All right, go ahead.
Now we'll be, since the power's turned off, unscrewing the top part. We have two screws here.
and so Donna is gonna unscrew the other one.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. All right.
Okay, now you will take the
Lift the
top
lid.
off and unscrew the light bulb that is
Burnt out.
burnt out.
Take it out. And grab another one. Okay.
So now you got our other light bulb, and we will install this one so it.
Okay. Now, before we put the lid back on, we'll check to make sure that it works. So go back in and throw the power back on.
So we will walk back inside and turn the power on. Wait, should we do the break on?
No, go ahead.
So here we are again at the light switch. So we turn it on to show that the light bulb is not burnt out anymore. So those are back on now. And as you can see, our light is not burnt out anymore. So now we will screw the screws back on so it is secure.
All right. And then I'll take the other one.
Okay, and this concludes our technology report on changing light bulbs.
And Christmas decorations.